Hi, Dawn Hitt here with the 411 on the tax relief line. So I called the tax relief line and I talked to a Rick Sanchez, who's a senior analyst. I asked him if he was a tax lawyer, and he said that he was a senior analyst and he was the first step in the process. And then once we talked and I gave him my information and he decides if it's something they could help me with, then he turns my case over to one of their 12 lawyers. I was really impressed with Rick Sanchez, to tell you the truth, because I thought he was going to be a high pressure salesman, and he was not at all. He gave me 5 options of ways they could help me with my tax problem. And when I asked questions, he was seemed very honest with his answers and very thorough. He kept telling me he was so sorry for my situation and that he really, hopes that they can help me. When I asked him about cost, he said it cost between $1,500 and $2,500. And then he was very honest and said, depending on, if the IRS is pretty easygoing with our situation, then it would cost that. It might cost a little more depending on how much they had to go into it. So that felt pretty good. He also offered to call the IRS with me and talk to them on my behalf for free of charge. So I give the tax relief line and Rick Sanchez a 10. I don't like high pressure salesmen, and this was not that.